Introducing the Vicks Sweet Dreams Cool Mist Humidifier. This ultra-quiet humidifier creates an enchanting and soothing bedtime environment. The cool mist provides temporary relief from cough and congestion, and a built-in projector lets kids select from 3 different dream-inspired themes: Safari, Sea, and Starry Night. Plus, it accepts up to 2 Vicks scent pads for soothing vapors. The Vicks Sweet Dreams Humidifier creates a relaxing atmosphere and helps your child breathe better and sleep peacefully. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.